Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge. Now, Lbank listing Shibadoge was the update. Remember, we talked about Lbank listing Shibadoge. That was last year. Now, remember that Lbank and Shibadoge are actually having some partnership. They are working something together to get Shibadoge on Lbank. Now, this news about Lbank listing Shibadoge was actually released by Shibadoge developer on Shibadoge website that their roadmap stage straight that will be seeing Shibadoge getting listed on Lbank, on Get.io, and on Crypto.com. Now we believe that Lbank very soon will be listing this coin. Now, as of last year, Shibadoge was not really doing well. That is the truth, because Shibadoge was pumping up and also coming down. You see the market cap hitting all the way from $5 million to $7-8 million. Within 3 days, the market cap will still drop back to $5 million. That was how Shibadoge last year was actually moving. But from the beginning of 2023 January, we also saw Shibadoge massively increasing in price. Now, and also increasing on market cap. The market cap gained over $30 million within the space of 7 days. And I was looking and monitoring Shibadoge to see if this market cap that have actually hit about $34 million will also drop just the way it has been on since last year. And since then, Shibadoge have maintained that market cap. Shibadoge market cap is still trading at over $32 million, $33 million. That simply means it's a good sign, and I'm happy to see Shibadoge gaining such market cap. Now, Shibadoge simply means that so many investors have started pumping the money, and I believe somewhere else might be also pumping huge amount of money on Shibadoge. Now, these exchanges will be looking at Shibadoge. I think it will be time when a lot of them will be considering listening Shibadoge. And because of this pump in market cap and price, we discovered that Bitmax Exchange now decided to list Shibadoge, and Shibadoge was finally listed on Bitmax Exchange. Okay, now Shibadoge is also listed on IndoEX, on BigX, on Uniswap V2, okay, and I believe Hotbit also are there, and I believe that other exchanges will be considering listing in Shibadoge. We will be seeing Lbank coming in very soon, and even Crypto.com and Get.io, and even other exchanges might start considering working and partnering with Shibadoge. Let's hope to see Shibadoge at the top before the end of this year, and I believe this coin can delete between 1 or 2 zeros before the end of the year. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.